how to change theme in Snapchat. So all you have to do is go here to your application and it will lead you to your camera section. Right now on the upper left, you'll see your Bitmoji icon there. Tap on your Bitmoji and here it will look like this. Now what you want to do is on the upper right, you'll see gear icon. Tap on that, the settings. Now here, all you have to do is to scroll down up until you see the app appearance. It's actually on the My Account section, the very last option. You will see app appearance. Tap on the app appearance and here you will see always light. Now tap on the always dark to set it or to set the theme to dark mode, and as you can see it is currently set on dark mode. Now if you want to set it back again to light appearance, what you can do is to do the same process. Tap on the app appearance and tap on always light. Now there's actually a match system here where you can actually set here your system to light mode here, and it will automatically match your iOS appearance settings to your Snapchat. And basically that's how you change theme in Snapchat, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.